Welcome back to Ife's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a natural shower gel using neem leaves. So this neem leaf shower gel is so good for treating acne, soothes irritation, and promotes healthy skin. So stay tuned. So to make this neem leaf shower gel, you will need neem leaf or neem powder. So I'll be using fresh neem leaf, which I've already plucked. So I'm going to be washing it. When I'm done washing it, I'm going to add it into a blender, add little water, blend into a puree. Neem leaf contains antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, which will help to fight bacteria that causes acne, breakout, pimple, skin irritation. It will also help to lighten dark spots, good for treating skin tanning. It can also help to cleanse the skin pores, exfoliate, and improve skin health. So when I'm done blending the neem leaf, I'm going to sieve to get the neem leaf juice. To make this neem leaf shower gel, I have my neem leaf juice. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. It will help to moisturize the skin and keep the skin firm. I'll be adding castor seed oil. Castor seed oil has some anti-aging benefits. It also helps to prevent breakout and help to soothe irritation of the skin. I'll be adding half cup of Johnson baby shower gel because it doesn't have harsh chemical. Feel free to use any shower gel of your choice. So the quantity of the shower gel that you add depends on how thick you want the shower gel. So I'll be adding sandalwood powder. Wood is good for promoting clear complexion, good for getting rid of acne and other skin irritation. So I'm going to be adding cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is so good for reducing skin discoloration, irritation, skin burn, and also skin rashes. So I'm going to be stirring to mix properly. So I'll also add turmeric, which will help to improve the skin tone and glowing skin, and also good for treating skin breakout. So I'm going to mix everything together. Add some few drops of lavender oil. Customize this by adding vitamin E oil or any ingredient of your choice, then store in a clean airtight bottle. And you need to shake this anytime you want to use so that all the ingredients will stay well mixed. So if you want a gentle skin loving shower gel, try this homemade neem shower gel because it is perfect if you want a natural solution for healthy and glowing skin.